There's something missing. Your lips, I need a kiss on. 'Cause every single thing that you do, it makes me fall just so much deeper in love with you.
Wala na ako na-record ang pag-animate, but summary lang. So, what I did was, the skirt was on a different layer. So, mao ni siya ang, kung i-hide na to, mao ni siya ang layer sa top part of the body, without the skirt and the shoes. And then, mao ni ang, giseparate na ko ang layer sa outline sa skirt. That is because I planned to animate the skirt. So what I did was over here na I play. So this is used for animation. And then when I click there, na I pass and play all. So what I did was this one, I duplicated that, hence na ni-appear ang second one. So what I did earlier was this one, and then frame, and then liquefied. So I liquefied it. So what I did was ana-ana lang ko ato ganiha. Yeah, kanang gina-liquefy ran ako siya kanang gi-ana-ana ran ako. You know, para na ay illusion na gina-wind siya. So if we play, na ay settings ani actually frames per second 3 kung hinay. Kung ipataas nimo siya kay pas-pas siya. So we are on loop. So mo na siya ang iyahang animation, so ma-export na nimo later on. Maybe I'll show you how to animate the hair. Let's try to animate the hair. So we animate na to ang hair. We have duplicate frame. So, na-duplicate na ang hair, no? I-transform na to na siya and i-liquefy. Okay, tanawon na to. Funny kayo. Okay, funnyhan ko sa iya ha, okay. Transform. Liquefy. Siya na kanang naana, gid ba? Sige daw. Ka-cute ba? Funny kayo ning gana siya. Wait, one last. We have this one. Kay more, it doesn't make sense naga-move ni siya. Kaning mga naa-dere, it does make sense naga-move sila. Kanilay ura kayo. Okay, one last trial. I'll show you the coloring process. The selection tool is very, very, very important. Recently lang po na ko siya na-appreciate kung sa siya ka-important. But yeah, this tool is very, very important actually. And then once selected, we will color it. I think I'd like to color it white apparently. I don't want full white. Di ko gusto na full white siya, pero for some reason kaya ko full white. Full white ako siya. Yeah. My left arm is hurting. I think nurses forget to like, you know, ask. I think they forget to ask patients kung left-handed ba sila or right-handed or naabay relevance na kanang left gid mo kuan sa dugo tungod kay dadto gid makakuhag dugo or something. But yeah, it's hurting good. It's hurting a lot. Once that's done, I think mag-add ko og layer and then mag-add tag layer i-mask dayon siya para ang color kay dadto lang dayon magstay. And then balak na to kana dayon. I am actually distracted. See how ka-gray, so let's turn it very dark. And then actually not sure. Okay, so pwede na ako ipaan ang opacity because kung ano kayo to harsh na kayo to siya na light. And then daghan siya actually na kanang churva. Actually gamay rin kay ang whites niya na area. Mas so, akong buhaton is i-erase lang na ako siya. And then, kana siya. And then, kana dayon. Because, parehaan na. Kana. I think in the sense, kay kaning mga crease, kay dapat white siya or something like that. Not really sure. Pero gina-erase na ako ang crease. I think dili recommended sa ako mag-draw at this time. Because blood, you know, pero I think nice na siya. I think good, nice na siya. So, I would like to take you to unsaon siya pag-animate. Personally, I think okay na yun siya. Kung ano lang, one erase. And then we're good. Kailangan na ako siya i-merge down para ma-animate na ko siya. So, duplicate. Duplicate. And then transform. It's never over. Okay. Wait lang. Actually, at this point, kapamataka lang ko og para makita og tarong. I think nagets na ako. Okay. Okay, gets ra eh. Gets ra. Okay, let's see. Done. And that's really cute, bro. That's really cute.
Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the pain and pain. Listening to you hop on about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'd wake up one day. Run to me, confess your love, at least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupid rocks right through the shoots and right through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it too? 'Cause I loved you from the start. Ah, sakit.